How to create a restore point in Windows 11. Creating a restore point in Windows 11 is an easy way to safeguard your computer. Essentially, it's like a safety net for your system. Should anything go wrong after installing new software or making significant changes, you can revert to a previous state where things were functioning smoothly. To create a restore point in Windows 11. First, in the search bar, type Create a Restore Point and hit Enter. This will open the System Properties window directly to the System Protection tab. Select the drive you want to protect, usually C, and then click Configure. Choose Turn on System Protection, and set the max usage slider to the desired space for restore points. The max usage slider sets aside a portion of your drive specifically for these restore points. 3 to 5% is advisable. Click OK to apply any changes. To manually create a system restore point, click Create, and give your restore point a name, then hit Create and wait for the confirmation message. Naming your restore point something memorable like before installing your apps or clean install, helps you remember why you created it. Once the restore point is created, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Close. This final step ensures that your restore point is saved and stored, ready to be used if something goes wrong later. You can use this restore point to return your system to this exact state, much like hitting an undo button on your computer. To confirm you have the new restore point, click on System Restore button, then select Choose a different restore point, then click Next and it will show you on the first line with time and date it was created. How to apply restore point from desktop. If you have access to the desktop environment, revert the changes using these steps. Open Start. Search for Create a Restore Point, and click the top result to open the System Properties page. Click the System Restore button. Select Choose a different restore point. Click the Next button. Select the restore point to undo changes on the system. Click the Scan for Affected Programs button to view the apps that will be removed through this process. This is optional. Then click the Next button. Click the Finish button. Take a note that before clicking the Finish button, if you have some work on your computer, save and close it. Once you complete the steps, the restore point will apply, returning the device to the previous good working state. If one or more apps are affected, you will have to reinstall them manually. This covers how to use System Restore on Windows PC. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.